Okay, this is a rear Holden SS Ute. It's actually not a SS, but it comes with the ls1 engine, and it's a 6-speed manual car. It's pretty rare. As far as I know, the SS Ute with the ls1, and that was more for a farmer probably. They had a bigger petrol tank and a softer suspension, so it said when I googled, it said this custom deck put all in it with the Holden. Very cool. It did actually have a factory hard lid, but it's not on it now. It had a maloo kit put on it, which is this piece here. Otherwise it's quite plain. It's got the side skirts, and it's got the mouth type sort of front. Open the door. Yeah, it gives a kind of aggressive sort of look, and yeah, and it's got hasn't got the old cover on it, but it's got a nice set of headers, and it's got this intake scoop. That sort of, and it's got those little scoops there that go help the intake, I guess. So it's pretty cool. And right now, we drive home after there. Right now we're swapping it for a Camaro. So we've done the deal, so we can't really do any burnouts or nothing. Otherwise we would. So yeah, I was going to do this before he actually swapped it for the Camaro, but and take it for a wee drive. But and Holden lovers would probably hate me, but yeah, we swapped it for this very cool 78 Camaro, looking a bit shinier than the Holden, but and we're away. We're up from Dunedin, and we've got a 1500k trip back to Dunedin. We're in Mount Maunganui. Very cool.